Hello everyone. And welcome back once again to another interesting video. In today's video we'll discuss top 20 Java interview questions and answers. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced programmer, this video is absolutely for you. So if you are ready, let's start today's video. Question 1. What is the difference between string, StringBuilder, and StringBuffer in Java? Answer. String is immutable, meaning its value cannot be changed once created. StringBuilder is mutable and provides better performance than string for concatenating strings when the number of operations is known. StringBuffer is similar to StringBuilder but is thread-safe, making it suitable for multi-threaded environments. Question 2. Explain the concept of the Java memory model. Answer. The Java memory model or JMM defines how threads interact through memory. It ensures that the changes made by one thread to shared variables are visible to other threads. Key concepts include the main memory, thread memory, and happens before relationships, which dictate the order of execution and guarantee consistency in multi-threaded environments. Question 3. What is the difference between equals and hashCode methods in Java? Answer. The equals method compares the content of two objects for equality. The hashCode method returns an integer value representing the object's hashcode. For objects that are considered equal, according to equals, their hash codes must be the same. However, the reverse is not necessarily true. Question 4. Explain the concept of generics in Java. Answer. Generics in Java provide a way to create classes, interfaces, and methods that operate on types, classes and interfaces, as parameters. This allows for code reusability and type safety. Generics are commonly used in collection classes like ArrayList to ensure that the type of elements is known at compile time. Question 5. What is the finalize method in Java, and why is it generally discouraged to use it? Answer. The finalize method is called by the garbage collector before reclaiming the memory occupied by an object. It is generally discouraged to use finalize, because there is no guarantee on when the garbage collector will run, leading to uncertain resource cleanup. It's recommended to use try with resources or implement auto-closable for resource management. Question 6. Explain the concept of the transient keyword in Java. Answer. The transient keyword is used in Java to indicate that a field should not be serialized. When an object is serialized, the values of its transient fields are not included in the serialized form. This is useful for excluding sensitive or unnecessary information from the serialization process. Question 7. What is the observer design pattern, and how is it implemented in Java? Answer. The observer design pattern defines a one-to-many dependency between objects so that when one object changes state, all its dependents are notified and updated automatically. In Java, this pattern is often implemented using the java.util observable class and the java.util observer interface. However, it's important to note that this implementation is considered somewhat dated, and the use of the observer pattern is more common with custom interfaces and implementations. Question 8. Explain the concept of Java Virtual Machine or JVM and how it works. Answer. JVM is the engine that executes Java bytecode. It provides a runtime environment for Java applications to run independently of the underlying hardware and operating system. JVM interprets and executes Java bytecode or uses just-in-time or JIT compilation to convert bytecode into native machine code for improved performance. Question 9. What is the super keyword in Java, and how is it used? Answer. The super keyword in Java is a reference variable used to refer to the immediate parent class object. It is used to call the methods, fields, or constructors of the parent class. It is particularly useful in scenarios where a derived class overrides a method or field from its base class but still needs to access the overridden version. Question 10. Explain the concept of the Java Collections Framework. Answer. The Java Collections Framework provides a set of interfaces and classes for handling and manipulating collections of objects. Key interfaces include list, set, queue, and map, and common classes include ArrayList, LinkedList, hashSet, and hashMap. The framework simplifies the process of storing, retrieving, and processing collections of data in Java applications. Question 11. What are lambda expressions, and how are they used in Java? Answer. Lambda expressions in Java provide a concise way to express instances of single-method interfaces or functional interfaces. They introduce a shorthand syntax for writing anonymous methods. Lambda expressions enhance the readability and maintainability of code, especially when working with functional interfaces, such as those found in the Java Streams API. Question 12. Explain the concept of Java Streams and how they differ from collections. Answer. Java Streams provide a powerful and functional approach to processing collections of data. Unlike collections, which represent data structures and can be traversed multiple times, streams represent a sequence of elements and support functional style operations like map, filter, and reduce. Streams are often used for parallel processing and lazy evaluation. Question 13. What is the difference between method overloading and method overriding in Java? Answer. Method overloading involves defining multiple methods in the same class with the same name but different parameter lists. Method overriding occurs when a subclass provides a specific implementation for a method that is already defined in its superclass. Overloaded methods are resolved at compile time, while overridden methods are resolved at runtime. Question 14. Explain the concept of Java annotations and provide examples of built-in annotations. Answer. Annotations in Java provide metadata about the code. Built-in annotations include at override, indicating method override, at deprecated, marking a class or method as obsolete, and at suppress warnings, suppressing compiler warnings. Annotations are extensively used in frameworks like Spring and Hibernate for configuration and metadata. Question 15. What is the purpose of the synchronized keyword in Java? Answer. The synchronized keyword in Java is used to control access to critical sections of code by multiple threads. It ensures that only one thread can access the synchronized block or method at a time, preventing data corruption or race conditions in multi-threaded environments. While effective, excessive use of synchronized can lead to performance issues, and alternatives like java.util.concurrent should be considered. Question 16. Explain the concept of JDBC or Java Database Connectivity and how it is used to interact with databases. Answer. JDBC is a Java API that provides a standard interface for connecting to relational databases. It allows Java applications to execute SQL queries, retrieve results, and update databases. Key components include Driver Manager for managing database drivers, Connection for establishing a connection, and Statement for executing SQL queries. Question 17. What are design patterns, and can you provide an example of a creational design pattern in Java? Answer. Design patterns are reusable solutions to common problems in software design. Creational design patterns focus on object creation mechanisms. An example is the singleton pattern, where a class has only one instance, providing a global point of access to that instance. This is often used for logging, driver objects, caching, thread pools, or database connections. Question 18. Explain the concept of the try-with-resources statement in Java. Answer. The try-with-resources statement in Java simplifies resource management by automatically closing resources, like file streams or database connections, when they are no longer needed. Resources must implement the auto-closable interface, and they are automatically closed in the reverse order of their creation. Question 19. What is the this keyword in Java, and how is it used? Answer. The this keyword in Java refers to the current instance of the class. It is used to distinguish instance variables from local variables when they have the same name, to invoke the current object's method, and to pass the current object as a parameter to other methods. Question 20. Explain the concept of Java serialization and deserialization. Answer. Java serialization is the process of converting an object state into a byte stream, allowing it to be stored in a file or sent over a network. Deserialization is the reverse process of reconstructing the object from the byte stream. Classes that implement the java.io serializable interface can be serialized, and transient fields can be excluded from the serialization process. These questions cover a range of topics related to Java and should help you prepare for an interview with a focus on your experience in the language. Remember that interview questions can vary, so it's crucial to have a strong understanding of the fundamentals and be ready to discuss your practical experiences and problem-solving skills. Good luck with your interview. That's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell for more content, so you don't miss any upcoming video. And, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring and keep coding. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.